folks, CA Rachana Ranade here. I'm today at the GFF and I'm here at the ABCD booth. I want to know a little bit more about what does ABCD truly stand for, and for that I'm going to interact with their top bosses. I'm going to understand from them as to how they are simplifying the financial decision making process and financial transactions for their customers. So let's get a sneak peek in it. Come on. So Pankaj, I'll tell you from a working woman's perspective, right? We always feel that there should be a personal assistant who can help me with the domestic chores, household chores, so that I can focus on my office work. Similarly, every person feels that he or she should have a personal assistant to manage his or her own finances. So does ABCD help in that aspect?
I think ABCD, I'm very happy to share, is launching 7 new exciting features
Whoa.
that are all powered by AI,
Wow.
which are going to exactly give you what you really asked for, which
Okay.
is a financial assistant
Okay.
at your fingertip. Yeah. I'll just narrate about a few.
Okay.
So in the app, there is a My Track section, which has credit track, spend track, and portfolio track.
Okay.
The credit track typically gives you your credit score, or a health track, which you just take a selfie. It gives you, information about 24 key vitals, for the human body.
Wow. So without a blood report or anything like that, just a
Perfect.
selfie.
That's right.
Wow.
And when it comes to portfolio track, all investments that you have done across your portfolio, which is stocks, deposits, mutual funds, so on and so forth, all come into one place. But this was something that we had done last year.
Okay.
What we have done now is the personal financial assistant part of it. So on these 3 tracks, it not only reads the track, it summarizes the information there,
Wow.
and with simple English language kind of prompts, or any language of your
Natural
choice.
language.
Yeah, you can actually ask questions about what can I do to improve my score, what can I do to improve my spends, am I spending too much on food, am I spending too much on ride hailing or travel. So you can ask these questions and you'll get intuitive answers. So
Okay.
it's actually bringing in together contextualism. So contextual, you can actually give a tip and also brings in an insight. So
Wow.
all the 3 are coming in together. The other 3 that we have launched in the same domain is, many of us want to be on top of our game as far as where the stock market is going,
Yeah.
right? So it actually summarizes what's happening in the market on a daily basis with
Okay.
15 minutes of lag on how the market is performing today,
Wow.
what are the real insights,
Okay.
and you can gain those insights and of course then take a personalized call. The other thing that we've done is smart signals.
Okay.
So as the name suggests, it is signal and it is smart.
Ah.
So amongst the host of nudges that you've got on the platform,
Okay.
this actually zooms in to the most important nudge for you at that point of time, right? So
Wow.
that is what it brings in. And of course, AI gives us a unique ability where in the past, you could do all this, but you could do this with your information. You could do this with people of your type with us as an organization. But AI, of course, expands it completely. So the best person who's investing outside of us, outside of ABCD as well, I can look at that information. I can look at, how a credit-worthy customer is behaving, and then give you the right signal. Last but not the least, the third important thing is goal compass that we have launched.
Okay.
Goals and financial goal planning, I think, has been in vogue for many years.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I think they were unidimensional.
Hmm.
So if I had to plan for my daughter's education, let's say 5 years back, which could cost anywhere between 1.2 to 1.5 crores, if one had to send somebody abroad for PG, we would do a simple tip earlier 10 years back that do RD, do
Correct.
SIP. But today with ABCD, because we bring in 7 investment solutions, so you can actually create a basket. You can say I can put so much in gold, so much in SIP, so much in the stock, and then you can plan your financial goal, and it can also tell you continuously that are you missing your goal, and then can you also rebalance. So that's the goal compass feature that we have launched on AI.
Wow.
So in summary, I think these 6 solutions, I think, answer the question that you were asking. Somebody to just the way household chores get managed
Yeah.
by somebody who helps you at home.
Yeah.
I think on finance as well, these are the solutions that will help you to save your time and let you focus on what you want to focus more, which is your work.
So ABCD has made quite a mark at GFF this year. So if I may ask you, what was the larger vision behind you coming to this fest? And what sort of communications or what sort of conversations are you wanting to spark with the overall fintech community?
ABCD's sort of been born with a vision of everything finance as simple as ABCD. Last year, when we first launched the app in April, we won our very first award for the company at GFF within 4 months. It was the best UI UX fintech app within 4 months of launch. So it is very special. We had our first booth here. So this is Foam coming. This is the home of the community, and it's quite a mela, as you know.
Absolutely.
When you say you want to make everything finance as simple as ABCD, it takes a lot of orchestration. It takes a lot of effort behind the scenes to render the simplicity to the customer, which means we work with a lot of partners. Some of them are redirect, some of them are SDKs, some of them provide cybersecurity, some of them provide the AI, sort of layer to us now. So there are so many folks who have gone into making the app here, and I'm so happy to see some of our partners, friends, colleagues from across the industry here, and sort of deepening the conversations to see how we can make this journey for the customer better always.
Amazing. Well, like you said right now, it's almost like a mela out here. And there are so many players, and I'm sure the number of players are increasing year on year. So what sets ABCD apart from others?
Okay, super. So that's also what our chairman, Mr. Birla, asks us. So all great minds think alike. But I think what matters is, see, when we were setting up ABCD, the same question, right? We were also asking ourselves, itne sare fintech apps hai, banking apps hai, what is different? But then we went to the customer, we found that the problem is universal. And we did different problem statements of FGD kya, marketing team hai. And the problem that had like a universal answer was finance is too complex. I don't understand it. You're working to deconstruct it for all our for the audience. So that is a perennial problem. And every new colleague who joins the workforce, who starts a money journey, who starts their life journey, starts from the beginning.
Correct.
Right? And I think therefore we tapped into the simple premise that we make it simple. And that's what we are working towards. It's not a gimmicky, it's not a trend. Next year you come, I'll tell you the same thing. That, we are working to make finance simple. And that sets us apart because we have the clarity and consistency of purpose. It also means saying no to a lot of things. Like if you see our home screen, many people say that your home screen mein kuch hai nahi. And less is more. And now with AI, we are so fortunate that we can embed contextual, you're doing something on the app. You need to see contextually what your next step should be, what your next insight should be. So we're able to make that happen. So we hope to someday that a customer will come up to us or come up to you maybe and say, ma'am, I ABCD use karta.
Kya baat hai. We talked about the app, but talking a little bit about the products, I heard that you unveiled a lot of products today in the session as well. So if you can take me through some key products that you are launching and what customers can expect in the next 1 year. Also, before you answer, I loved the way this booth has been presented, right? And I'm sure some key features, like that gift card that I saw, that was pretty interesting. So if you can just tell us about some nice products,
features.
Yeah.
Or
some products.
We have 26 products.
Ooh, okay.
So हमें फिर एक आप सीरीज करते हो
अलग podcast करना
हाँ करेंगे. But I think we've categorized it cleanly and neatly. So we have payments. We are India's only non-bank org which has the UPI TPAP license. We of course have the PPI, and we've also we've received from RBI the in-principle approval for PA. So we launch that next year. So we're the only non-bank to do that. So that's a privilege. We also, so that's in payments. With regard to investment section, which is our other section, we have 8+ investment categories.
Wow.
So we've got the mutual funds, we've got the stocks, we've got digital gold and silver. It's all the trending now.
Yeah.
We have NPS. So we have so many different categories that customers can choose from, and because it's complex, because पता नहीं लोगों को, हमने एक Simply Invest launch किया है.
Okay, I got to see it there. Simply Invest.
Simply Invest. So what allows Simply Invest allows you to, आपको SIP पता है?
Yeah.
सिखा इतने सारे लोगों को. So 10,000 यहाँ लगा दो. But 10,000 आप सिर्फ म्यूचुअल फंड पे लगा सकते हो, right? आपको FD भी चाहिए होता है. Everything is not in mutual fund always, right? Or you may want to do it in gold because Indians love that asset class, right? And for good reason now. So you can do it in gold, you can do it in fixed deposits, and we also had it in stocks.
Yeah.
But I think in stocks, we are still rethinking how to make the stock price can go up. ABCL stock has gone up. So we have sort of made Simply Invest. That's a layer on top of the investment stack, allowing you to do SIP in multiple product categories. So when you want to give a gift, let's say Diwali, Rakhi, all coming, digital gold is a great asset. Now it allows you to give gold, which is timeless, to your near and dear ones. AI can help you write the message.
Correct.
And this was there last year, much before LLMs became popular.
Amazing.
So you can gift your gold and silver to your friends and family. So those are all in the investment side of things.
Super.
If you go to the loans, of course, we've got the usual suspects of the home loans and the personal loans. and we are one of India's largest home loan distributors in the digital space, and that tells us more about the customer than about us. Na customer ki ख्वाहिश है कि digital हो, so we do that. And of course, we've got credit cards. We're launching secured credit card in partnership with the bank soon. So all of this is in the loan section.
There's a problem. When it's about buying the right insurance, people don't understand that ये insurance मेरे लिए सही
है कि नहीं.
So is there any way through which you have solved that problem?
Okay. So we have two things. One is give a policy comparator. पहले आपने already लिया होगा. It tells you if the policy you have is right or not and what it covers, what it doesn't cover, etc. Over and above that, if you are let's say looking at health insurance, you can take a selfie-based scan of yourself or of your family for that matter.
Okay.
And if your score is good, we give you a green pass journey, which means no medicals, no nothing, and you get a discount on top of it. And you get a 19% discount if you buy for 3 years. You get a 10% discount otherwise.
Super.
So, and this is to all customers of ABCD.
Wow. So is AI involved in this whole process?
AI is involved in giving you the score, so you can just do the selfie score.
Okay.
And depending on what, and this score is also CDSCA certified, right? And then we have AI that can also give you a contextual support. फिर आपकी medical insurance क्या-क्या cover नहीं करते हैं.
ठीक है.
Health हो गया, life हो गया, but health में आपको पता है कि OPD, आपको पता है कि बहुत सारे, spectacles, tooth are all often not covered. So we have these pocket insurances that you can then add up.
Oh,
to
really?
make that happen.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we've launched a health wellness card this time in GFF. In fact, it's one of our launches.
Very
For
nice.
$9.99, you get benefits of $35,000.
Wow.
Teleconsultation, products like what I just told you about on the wellness side. So a whole bucket of it for $35,000. And coming from the fact that your insurer is the one who wants you to live longest and healthiest. And we have two insurance companies, both Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance and Aditya Birla Health Insurance in the group. We truly believe in wellness of our customers. So we're trying to do everything to make that happen on the insurance side as well.
Super.
So that's our full stack product.
So you are a part of a thought-provoking panel discussion today. If you can tell us your key takeaways from that panel discussion and how do these thoughts align with the priorities of ABCD?
The panel was on breaking silos
Okay.
for a fintech infrastructure and stack.
Okay.
So I think that absolutely makes sense for us because, see, for the customer, they don't care that something is insurance is a separate company or that lending is a separate company or mutual fund is a separate company.
Yeah.
They also don't care that our operations alag hai or sales alag hai or IT alag hai or compliance or anything. They want a product that fulfills their need, especially if you think of the TG that is a customer who's either gotten his first job and then sort of grows into the life stage, right? You meet the person of your dreams, शादी हो जाती है, then hopefully life goes well, घर लिया आपने, फिर आप, you're sort of having families growing and expanding, and then you realize that maybe you need insurance. When they're in this journey, what they want is they want their needs to be understood at that in the context they are and to be solved for them.
Correct.
That's all they want. So breaking any silos to make that happen, making sure that all of the orchestration, like I said, and the complexity is handled by us, and not the customer doesn't have to face it. I think that was one of my key takeaways. Customer centricity is always said, but it's a journey.
Yeah.
And I'd like to believe you've started.
Yeah.
And I'd like to believe
your journey, which has also
the journey,
been
no?
displayed here.
First job,
Right from the first job to first child here.
first job to first child. And may everyone be so lucky.
Absolutely.
And we hope that we'll be there to accompany them at that moment.
True. क्या बात है? I had a look at the app, ABCD app, and I loved the UI UX, especially this dialer thing, the way it moves. I mean, what a nostalgia आता है. And look at this. Wow. The investment related features just come up. Tell us about this. बहुत बहुत प्यारा है.
Insurance bhi aa gaya.
Oh, super, super.
So yes, if I have to talk, so when we were sort of launching the app, and we have 26 categories, A to Z bola humne. Naturally, if you've seen most fintech apps, they have a lot of little tiles and a lot of products and categories.
Correct.
But when we went to the customers and spoke to them, they wanted us to reduce complexity, and we gave them the dialer design. It was just an off choice.
Yeah.
And we had many more options, and they picked this.
Oh.
The customer picked the dialer design, and it was by a huge margin.
Wow.
Huge margin. Like 60% of people picked this, and बाकी सब design में इकट्ठा 40%. So the customer ने बोला, customer is king. So we opted for this. And it's been a super hit. Like I told you, we won the GFF award within 4 months of launch. We've won a few other awards. This year again, we won Best Mobile App for India from Asian Banker. So it's been rewarded by the industry associations or recognition, as well as by the customers in terms of how they use the app and thing. And we put all categories of products into these 5 needs.
Super.
That's how it works. So shall we go to investigate?
Yeah.
And
Yeah. I always say that whenever you want to build a lot of AI into your products, you need OI. OI is original intelligence. Right. So how have you leveraged AI for so many things
That we do on the app?
our app?
So I think AI has actually made it easier for us, because when you have so much on the app, how does a customer know कि कहाँ जाऊँ, क्या करूँ, क्या discover करूँ, और मेरे need के against अभी, what should I? And especially when you're beginning your financial journey, you're doing your first home loan, you're doing your first insurance policy, there is a lot of questions in your mind as well. And am I doing the right thing? What should I be doing? So I think AI allows us to meet them where they are, allows us to meet our customer where they are, answer in that context, and bring the right product to the customer. So we have a market pulse, which tells you what's happening in the market and brings it in. In Q4, we'll be launching a customized one as well with AI, which will allow customers to, based on their portfolio, और आपके पास 4 म्यूचुअल फंड है, आपके अंडरलाइंग होल्डिंग्स वो देखेगा और आपको बताएगा कि आप किस सेक्टर में ओवर इंडेक्स्ड हो और इस सेक्टर में ये सब कुछ हो रहा है. So that's coming up. We also have Goal Compass. So goal-based investing, you must, of course, we are all promoting, which allows customers to set a goal, whether it's a vacation or the children's sort of goal that we have for education or long-term or हमारे खुद की retirement. These days with inflation, you need it. So it allows you to set a goal compass, allows you to get a recommendation. Now that can tie back to Simply Invest, which is our layer on multi-asset class SIPs that you can do, and give you an entire answer on, or a suggestion maybe on what you should be doing if you wanted to, let's say, retire early. So that's how we brought in AI into various parts of the app. So we've embedded AI, it's strewn across the app, across everything. And you will find that it doesn't stand out separately. While we've got this really cute icon, who's Simplify, you will find AI is embedded across the app in a more natural fashion. Of course, we tell you it's AI because customers should know, but otherwise it's very embedded in the context of the conversation.
So Bhargavi, whatever we discussed in the last 10-15 minutes, I just feel that there is something common between our brands, and that is Finance Simplified. I try to simplify finance as far as the financial literacy part is concerned, and for you it will be?
Okay, for us it will be making the financial insight from the customer's own context simplified, making them decide, helping them decide in a simple and easy manner, and then acting upon that transaction. So transactions and purchases simplified. So everything finance as simple as ABCD.
Amazing.